Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my ginger shots. You will need ginger, honey, water, and lemon or lime. First, peel the ginger. You can do it with a potato peeler or spoon. Now I'm going to cut in half my ginger. The same with the lemon, because I only use half a cup of lemon. In a blender or personal glass blender, I will add my ginger into small pieces to help liquefy well. Now add some water as you see in this video. And I'm taking blender several times because the ginger have to disintegrate as much as possible. This is the result of my mix. I'm taking a paper towel with my hands clean to pour my mixture on the paper towel and squeeze it. And this is the result. Now I'm gonna be adding the lemon juice to taste. And finally add the honey. Mix well, and I will serve my ginger shot. Guys, you can make this for more people, just adding more of these ingredients. In my case, I'm using this tiny glass. And for all benefits about the ginger shots will be down in my description box. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, follow me on my social media. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has own videos every Saturdays here on my channel, and every Wednesdays I have recipes for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.